Hello everyone, this is my testing video. This is also my intro video. I'm really kind of new to this thing. It's also taken me a while to record these videos because I wasn't really sure how I was going to do it at first. A lot of other factors played into it. But we are here, so this is my intro video. I'm going to put these videos up, trying to do this whole plant structure and function in segments. This is just part of our big discussion of plants in general. You'll see it listed in chapter 21 under Veracross, but as a whole, it's just kind of talking about plants as a unit. When we take our test, it'll just be a plants test. Anyways, these videos are going to be done in sections of this PowerPoint, and then the PowerPoint after that. And then coming into class, I might have a few questions to start us off. I might have you watch 1, 2, all of the videos. It depends, but I will let you know when that time comes. So yeah, this is the intro video.